Hi, myself Dr. M. Saranya, Assistant Professor of BBA Department. Now I am going to present a topic on rights, duties and responsibilities of an agent to his principal. An agent is a person employed to do any fact for another or to represent another in dealing with third person. The person for whom such act is done, who is represented, is called the principal. The functions of an agent is essentially to bring about contractual relationship between the principal and third party. An agent has certain rights, duties, and liabilities towards principal and third parties, depending upon the nature of the business. These rights, duties, and liabilities can be generated as. First, we are going to say about rights of an agent. The first point is right to receive remuneration. The agent is entitled to receive an agreed remuneration or reasonable remuneration unless otherwise agreed upon. An agent has a right to claim his remuneration on completion of his work, even if the contract never materialized on account of breach. But if an agent is found guilty of misconduct or fraud, etc., he has no right over remuneration. In addition, he is entitled and liable to compensate the principal for any such loss. Next one is a right of retainer. An agent has the right to retain any sum received by him or on behalf of his principal from third parties, which may fall dues as part of his remuneration or advances or expenses incurred in general conduct of business. Next one is right of lien. An agent has the right to retain any movable or immovable property, papers or goods of the principal received by him until the amount of commission due to him is received. The kind of lien is a particular lien, which will end as soon as the possession is cast. However, by special contract, such as a lien can be extended to a green lien. Next one is right to be indemnified against consequence of lawful acts. An agent has also the right to be indemnified against the consequences of all lawful acts done by him in exercise of authority conferred upon him. This right of the agent is obvious for the simple reason that an agent is representative of his principal. Next one is right to be indemnified against consequences of acts done in good faith. An agent has the right to be indemnified against all acts done by him in utmost good faith, where one person employ another to do an act and the agent does the act in good faith. The employer or principal is liable to indemnify the agent. For example, A employs B to sell the goods in A's possession. B sell the goods unaware of the fact that C is the actual owner of the goods. C sues B for the recovery of the value of goods. In this case, B has a right to indemnify by A and to reimburse the expenses incurred by B is the liabilities of A. Next one is right to compensation. The agent has a right to be compensated for injuries sustained by him due to the principal's neglect or want of skill. However, the principal is not liable for any compensation for the injuries caused by the own neglect of agent. Next one is agent's right to do all lawful things. A person who is appointed as an agent has the right to do all lawful things which fall under the useful course of business. And next one is right in emergency. An agent has a right to do all such act which could protect his principal from loss in case of emergency, as would have been done in his own cases in a similar situations. Next, we are going to see about the duties and responsibilities of an agent. Duty of follow principles, directions of custom. The first and the foremost duty of an agent is to act within the scope of authority conferred upon him and act according to the directions given by his principal. In the absence of any such instructions, the agent should work according to the customs prevailing in the agency. If he acts otherwise, he is liable to make good the loss caused by him. Next one is duty to carry out work with a reasonable skill and diligence. The agent must conduct the business with reasonable skill and diligence unless otherwise specified. If the principal has notice of want of skill, in general, the agent is expected to work in the manner as he would do in his own name. Next one is duty to render accounts. It is the duty of the agent to maintain proper accounts of his principal's property and render it to him on demanded or periodically if so agreed upon. Thank you.